how did it all begin? For most of history, we imagined a universe that was eternal and unchanging. But about a century ago, we discovered that was completely wrong. Our universe had a beginning. Roughly 13.8 billion years ago, everything, all matter, energy, and space itself was compressed into a single, infinitely hot and dense point. This wasn't an explosion in space, it was the beginning of space. In the first fraction of a second, a process called inflation caused the universe to expand faster than light, smoothing everything out. As it cooled over the next 3 minutes, the universe acted like a cosmic nuclear reactor. It forged the first elements, hydrogen and helium, in a specific ratio of 3:1. Today, when we look at the oldest stars, we find that exact chemical fingerprint, the first major clue supporting the Big Bang. For 380,000 years, the universe was an opaque, glowing fog. Then, it cooled enough for atoms to form, and light was set free for the first time. That ancient light is still traveling today, stretched by expanding space into a faint, cold glow of microwaves that fills the entire sky. This cosmic microwave background is the afterglow of creation, a definitive echo of our hot, dense beginning. This idea of expanding space was first confirmed by astronomer Edwin Hubble. He saw that distant galaxies are all rushing away from us, their light stretched and reddened. If you run the film backwards, it proves everything must have started from the same spot. From a single point to a cosmos of countless galaxies, the Big Bang Theory tells the story of our universe. But it's not the final chapter. The discovery of mysterious forces like dark energy, which is accelerating the expansion, proves there are still profound secrets waiting to be uncovered.